Inquire, believe, and watch as Rohn posed the question in this manner, witnessing the realization of all your dreams and desires in no time. While it may seem implausible, the truth remains. Acknowledge it. Whatever you seek, be it wealth, success, or abundance, the key to receiving is to simply ask. Now, you might wonder who will fulfill your wishes or how this process even operates. Who will manifest all your dreams and turn them into reality? I lack answers to all these questions. The universal power is the answer to your desires. We are akin to children, and the universe, our benevolent parent. Similar to how a child requests things from their parents to positively impact their lives, you too can ask the universe for your deepest desires. The universe, akin to a caring parent, stands ready to fulfill your wishes. Your dreams, whether grand or modest, matter to the universe, just as a child's wish matters to a loving parent. All you need to do is ask. Ask the universe about your desires, and it will respond to your call. The universe will provide for you. When manifesting, the first step is to ask. Let's delve into Rohn's manifestation technique with a step-by-step guide. Learn this technique to communicate your desires to the universe, to the divine power, and witness the transformative changes in your life. Stay tuned until the end for essential secrets on manifestation and receiving. I understand your skepticism about the truth of my words. However, I assure you, having applied this technique in my life, my circumstances have changed significantly. Just by altering a few words in my prayers and adjusting some habits, my life has transformed. Let's begin by understanding the power of asking. The manner in which we ask, talk to the universe or higher energy, and the words we choose play a vital role. You need answers to two crucial questions. What do I want? The object, and what for? Your purpose. The purpose is more potent than the object. What you want is formidable, but what you want it for is even more powerful. Before becoming a hard-working individual, Rohn suggests becoming a proficient asker. Why? Because asking is the initiation of receiving. Imagine a world where your deepest desires are just a question away from becoming a reality. This is the power of asking, akin to holding the key to your treasure chest. The formula is simple and astounding. Ask, and you will receive. Consider it as pressing the start button for your mental and emotional engine. The mechanics may remain a mystery, but the results are undeniable. Asking is the ignition that sparks the journey of receiving, the very beginning of a remarkable transformation. So, how do we ask? The most crucial rule is to ask with intelligence. It's time to work smart, not just hard. Intelligent asking is an art. You're creating art in your mind, visualizing what you want with details such as size, color, and the accompanying emotions. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Paint a clear mental picture, defining your desires. The more detailed your description, the more you attract your goals. For instance, if you desire a job promotion, ask with precision, I deserve a job promotion. I believe that at the annual party next month, the promotion will be granted to me. I am promoted at that exact moment, and all my friends and colleagues will be congratulating me. Feel the excitement and emotions. Ask the universe precisely for what you want, and it will be granted. Now, you possess incredible power within you. Put it to the test. Manifesting a simple text or a small sum of money is within your reach. The key lies in precision, detail, belief in the process, and witnessing astounding results. Having personally experienced this magic, it's a practice that never fails me. It's akin to taking a confident shot at life when you ask with conviction. Be a child of the universe. Have faith like a child has in their parents. Once you ask, you will receive at the right time, in the right moment. The formula is to ask like an adult, demand what you want from the universe, and believe that it will provide. Ask like an adult and believe like a child, witnessing incredible changes. This formula can help you achieve anything. We all have goals, some short-term and some long-term. Divide your dreams into two categories: long-range goals, 5 to 10 years, and short-range goals, tomorrow, within a week, within a month or a year. Achieving short-term goals boosts confidence and prepares you for bigger blessings. Accept challenges as tests to check your readiness for significant blessings. Have faith, ask, and believe, and you will receive. The power of purpose is essential. It's not just about what you want. It's about what you want it for. Knowing your what and what for is the roadmap to success. Make a list of your goals, from short to long range. Celebrate every achievement, no matter how small, and live a life filled with excitement. Every day is an opportunity to draw your dreams closer. You are the architect of your life, shaping it exactly as you've envisioned. Working on your goals is an investment in your future. Create plans, sketch out your aspirations, and become a skilled planner. The power lies in the details. Jot down your daily, monthly, and yearly goals in a journal. Your goals are the threads weaving the tapestry of your life. Many view their jobs as a means to an end, just a way to pay the bills. But life is more than that. Change the way you think, create your goals, plan for the future, and watch them become reality. Ask the universe for what you want and have faith like a child. Ask, and you will receive. Embrace the thrill of uncertainty, and every day will be an exciting opportunity for transformation. Ditch the humdrum and start enjoying every single day and moment. Transform hope into plans, and success becomes your reality. Don't just wait for Friday. Start living every day to the fullest. Your goals are not just a blueprint for your journey, they shape your identity. Change the way you think, focus on what you want, and watch your goals become reality. Ask the universe, have faith like a child, and embark on the exhilarating journey of life filled with adventure. If you found this video inspiring, share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. Here's to the exciting transformation awaiting you in this new chapter of your life. Best of luck, and may you be blessed. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.